Meet the workstation with the quickest height adjustment on Earth. The Treston Quick Edge Workstation. An industrial workstation that improves performance and boosts ergonomics at the same time. It includes a new, innovative mechanism for extremely fast height adjustment. Adjust the height from the lowest to the highest position in less than 2 seconds. You can adjust the optimal height effortlessly for every task, no matter how short-term it is or how quickly it changes. Adjusting the height is very simple. Just pull the handle and slide the bench top to the height you want. The constant force spring mechanism does the job in the blink of an eye. The Treston Quick Edge Workstation can be adapted to various working environments. This includes packing and logistics centers, where the height adjustment is done according to the differently sized cartons. Changing the height is so effortless and fast that it is truly adjustable from carton to carton. The height adjustment range is extremely wide, so the workstation also adapts for operators of different standing heights. The Treston Quick Edge Workstation can be equipped with a wide range of accessories. For example, shelves for cartons, LED lighting, screen and tool holders, and various trolleys. Adjusting the Treston Quick Edge Workstation is extremely fast and easy. With this workstation, you can minimize the time between produced items and your work will be more fluent and ergonomic. Learn more about the Treston Quick Edge Workstation at treston.com.